All right, my package is here from acpeptides. Y'all gonna help me mix this? Let's go. Okay, hey y'all. I just got my package from acpeptides, so it is mixing time. I was supposed to actually do my next injection on Sunday, and I ordered 3-day, and it's getting here today. It actually wasn't gonna get here till tomorrow, so it arrived a little bit early, but I'm still a couple days late as far as my injection goes. But we're gonna go ahead and mix this so we can get it to chill in the fridge. And then later on, I'm gonna do my injection. You heard me? Yeah. So here is my tirzepatide up in here. Here it is. Here it go. I gotta go back and my 14-year-old loves these. He loves the pop these things. But I gotta go back and pick him up from school. So I'm gonna mix this and get it in the fridge. So this right here is the backwater. And what did I order? 2 ml. 2 ml of backwater. And 15 milligrams of tirzepatide. And I'm dosing up today. I'm dosing up to 7.5 milligrams. You heard me. I'm super excited about that. So yeah, this is my tirzepatide peptides in here. Right here from acpeptides. And I don't know like the difference in the caps. This time I got a green cap. This is not the custom this time. I can tell you that because I remember when I ordered. And then the backwater has a clear cap. So, all right. So we're going to go ahead. Let me grab my hand sanitizer. I need my syringe and some alcohol pad. Un momento, por favor. All right, y'all. So I got my little alcohol pad, my little alcohol, and this is my sharps container. Okay. And I got that from Amazon. I got these from Amazon. Okay. These are insulin syringes. They're 1 ml disposable insulin syringes. And these are the kind of long needle ones. I'm going to order some more short ones. They don't hurt or anything like that. My preference is the short. All right. Hand sanitizer. Just sanitize my hands. Y'all, my allergies are acting up when I tell you. So here is where you just open it. And so with these insulin syringes, it has 100 units on it. Just FYI. All right, y'all. So I was originally planning to order the 30 milligrams, but it wasn't available. There were some things out of stock. So I just said I get enough for 2 weeks. So it changes my measurements. My calculations are going to be different. But I would have the 30 milligram vial. Then it would have been divided by the 7.5, which is my dose, and that would have been 4 doses. So because I'm doing the 15 milligrams, I divide that 7.5, and that gives me 2. So that's 2 doses. Okay. Got my calculations here. And then I was going to be mixing 3 mLs of backwater, but now I only need 1.5. So basically 1 ml is 100 units and then another half of this. So, and that'll give me where I'm injecting 75 units per injection, if that makes sense. Okay. So yeah, just take that 150 units and divide it by the 2 doses, and that would be 75 units. Previously, I was injecting 50. Let me go ahead. This is my tirzepatide from acpeptides. I'm going to go ahead and pop the cap. It won't come off. And then here's my new backwater. And it's 2 ml, so we're going to use a good amount of this. Take this alcohol pad. And we are going to sanitize the top of both of these. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and uncap this here. We're going to first go ahead and do 1 ml, which is 100 units. So pull that back to 100 units. Here's our backwater. Trying to get it in the middle. There we go. Got it in the middle. Insert the air. Turn it upside down. This is where y'all can see the numbers a little bit, but there we go. Got our perfect 100 units, which is our 1 ml. We're going to take it and stick it in our tirzepatide here. And I'm going to try to grip this a little bit so it don't go too fast. Okay, I'm going to kind of point it to the side. And I'm going to turn this so y'all can see it. Like right there. Okay, I'm going to start letting that go in. Slowly. The goal is not to power wash your peptide. You don't want your peptides to be power washed. Then you can ruin them. So we're just taking our time. Nice and slowly. All right. We need another half, so more backwater. So this time we need to bring it to at least the 50. And I tend to prefer not too much backwater. I want just enough. I feel like I overly do it if I put too much backwater. So that's just my preference, but you just got to do what works for you. Okay. So we're going to put the remainder of the backwater in with the tirzepatide. And y'all, I feel like it's super dark over here. Hold on. There we go. I wonder. I forgot about my other light, y'all. Okay, insert that into there. I'm going to turn it so y'all can see it again. So let's turn it like that. And we're going to put the rest in here slowly. All right. Yeah, that light looks so much better. Did we get it? Oh, we didn't even put it all in there. There we go. Now we got it all in there. Okay, now we just put the cap back on here carefully. Sharps container. Allow me to dispose of it. And I'm actually to the point, since I'm going up, I'm dosing up to where I will be needing these 1 mLs, since I got to do 7.5 now. So anyway, we take our tirzepatide and we're going to be gentle. And this is how we're going to mix slowly. It's how you mix it up. You don't want to just like, you know, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. You don't want to do all that. Y'all, I have on concealer under my eyes. And without my glasses, I feel like I look crazy. But anyway, this is what you do to mix it. Yeah, you ain't got to shake it. You ain't got to do all that. That's doing a little much. I'm going to throw the other backwater away, because I have no need for that no more. But I'm going to go put this in the fridge. I keep it in a little plastic container, so I won't lose it because it's super teeny tiny. And I keep it in the fridge. That's how it's stored. You want to make sure once it's mixed, then you don't keep it at room temperature no more. You have to keep it chilled, okay? I don't do the freezer. I do the fridge for mine. That's just my preference. All right? So when I do my injection later, I'm going to come back and film that with y'all too. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to do my tummy or if I'm going to do my thigh, what I'm going to do. Or if I want to do like half and half or something. I don't know. I'm probably going to do it all in one. Usually if I split it, that's pretty much to break a stall or something. And I don't think I'm going to have a problem with that. When I tell you I'm 2 days late doing my injection, I still couldn't eat a lot. So that just lets you know like it actually stays in your system for a while. But y'all, this is my tirzepatide from acpeptides. All right. If you don't mind mixing your own peptides, go ahead and check out acpeptides. If you're not comfortable mixing, then y'all know it's orderlymeds. So, and there's no, huge commitment or anything for orderlymeds. It's just monthly and it's affordable as well. These are the 2 companies that I pretty much stand by, that I trust. So, yeah. But if you have any questions about mixing or about acpeptides, Elena, she is a sweetheart. I love you, Elena. Elena is so super sweet and very helpful, and she knows her stuff. So reach out to Elena with acpeptides if you have questions. She's super busy right now because of the demand, but and also my GLP-1 bestie, she has been wonderful. So girl, I thank you. I thank you so much. They are both amazing. Reach out to Elena if you have questions and you do want to mix your own peptides, if you don't mind that. And if you have questions about orderlymeds, I got you with that too.